Good afternoon, 11:05 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I have a daily chart on Netflix. What you're going to learn here is that Netflix has been all over the map when it comes to making a market in the options. We make markets when they go down, and we also make them going up. Today, we gapped up. We could see the support level right here on today, and that was 373, and we shot straight right up here to the high. That high right there is 384.76. Now, here's the deal. This is the $375 call chart that you see. 99% of your traders that trade options have never seen a call chart. They don't even know that they exist, and even if they did know, they don't know how to use it, period. And I don't even know why they're trying to trade options and whatnot. These options ran straight up here to the high this morning on that 375 call. The high was 1079. Then, when the chart on Netflix started to pull back, you could see how the calls went all the way back down here. And they did. And this is all intraday. And that was $5.57. So, people don't know when to sell them. They don't. They get caught on intraday level, and the option price is now, it hit lower right here, once again at $5.57. That was lower than the initial gap up in Netflix on the stock chart, and then the calls went, look at that, how nice that is. This is a 30-minute call chart, 375 call chart right here, right now. People don't know when to sell it. They don't. And if you're watching this video, look at, let us take you down the right road. We know how to use it. We're market makers. They always get caught when they don't sell it, and they sell them lower than what they paid for it. This is the move that we're having back up here right now. But the lesson to learn is learning how to use a call chart. So if you know that it was overbought, you would know when to get out. You would know why. If I'm selling this up here, then I'm buying the opposite end of the put chart, because the put chart went up and was at the low value, and the call chart peaked, and it did. Now, once again, this is the daily chart. That's my trend line. Amazon or Netflix has a hard time taking out these highs over here. And there's a lot of volatility up here, and we knew when to sell it on this daily chart. And you can clearly see what happens in the call side, the 375 call right here. It's all here. You better sign up and get with us so you can learn how to use the call charts and the put charts that you don't use. You have no business trading options without understanding the market maker, how they work in the pit, how these charts are going to work, what's in balance. When they get up here at the high, if you don't sell them, the public gets screwed again. And you don't want to be like this. I know you don't. That's why I'm opening up what? I'm opening up your eyes.